Good morning, everyone. This is NCRT practice workbook for environmental studies looking around 4, class 4. And today we are going to learn chapter 6, Omana's journey. In this chapter, I will explain you question answers. 1. Select the best option. 1. The doctor said that Radha shouldn't move her leg for 6 weeks. 2. Omana passed her time on the train by all of these. Kya? 1a. Writing her diary, looking out of the window, eating meals and snacks. 3. Omana's train had started from C. Gandhidham. 4. Radha did not go with Omana on the journey because B. Radha's leg was fractured. B answer. 5. At Valsad, Omana's family bought blank to eat. D. Bananas and chikus. Bought yani खरीदे. Buy, bought. True, false. 1. The train reached Valsad early in the morning. False. 2. Sunil and Anne were also going to Kerala. True. 3. Omana's Amma and Appa had got the middle berths in the compartment. False. 4. Omana's family checked their names on the reservation chart. True. 5. The fields outside the windows of the train were green with lots of trees. False. Fill in the blanks. 1. Omana and Radha were best friends. 2. Radha fell down from her bicycle and fractured her right leg. 3. 2 college students had the upper berths in their compartment. 4. The sky becomes orange in color when the sun was setting. 5. Sunil and Anne were going to their grandmother's house. So, these are questions from which questions can be asked in the exam. From the window. 7. 1. Select the best option. 1. Madgaon is in which state? D. None of these. 2. Which of the following vehicles run on diesel or petrol? All of these. Cars, trucks, auto rickshaws. 3. During lunch, Omana ate bananas and idli vada. 4. While the train was moving, it suddenly became dark because D. The train passed through a tunnel. 5. At the end of the train journey, Omana's family will go to C. Valyamma's house. True, false. 1. To cross the river, cars and the train used separate bridges. True. Some tunnels go completely through mountains. True. 3. People in Udupi wear the same type of clothes as in Ahmedabad. False. 4. There was much smoke and noise at the level crossing. True. 5. The fields in Goa are brown and dry. False. Fill in the blanks. 1. Some people were going under the bars of the level crossing. 2. The sound of the train's movements changed when they crossed a river on a bridge. 3. On the journey from Goa to Kerala, the train passes over 2000 bridges and through 92 tunnels. 4. On reaching Kottayam, Omana would have spent 2 days on the train. Omana climbed on the upper berth to read comics. Here is match, you can read them. This is fields in Goa, level crossing, road bridge, tunnel, railway bridge. Match here, Kottayam late at night, Madgaon D early morning, Udupi lunch, Kozhikode around 6 o'clock. Here you can see Gujarat, Gujarati language, Maharashtra, Marathi language, Tamil Nadu, Tamil language, Andhra Pradesh, Telugu language, Punjab, Punjabi language. 8. Reaching grandmother's house. 1. The bus dropped Omana's family at the side of B, a river. Amumma lived D on a island. Island means चारों ओर जो पानी से घिरा हुआ हो ऐसा land area. 3. A railway timetable gives information about all of these. A. The route of the trains. B. The arrival and departure time at each station. C. The stations along the route. 4. Omana's family reached Amuma's place on 18th May. C. 5. Which of the following methods of transport was not used by Omana for reaching Amuma's place? C. Aeroplane. It was not used. Others were used. True, false. 1. When traveling by the ferry, the tickets were brought after getting on the boat. False. 2. Omana did not eat on reaching Valiama's house because she was feeling sleepy. True. 3. Omana's family got off the bus in the middle of its journey. False. 4. Omana saw people waving to her from the banks of the river when she was on the boat. False. Omana's journey to Amuma's place was boring. False. Here are blanks. 1. Omana's family reached her Amuma's place in the evening. 2. Omana's appa bought tickets for them on the bus. Standing by the railing of the boat, Omana saw the rippling of the water when the boat moved. 5. 4. Valiama's family also went with Omana's family to Amuma's place. 5. Omana's legs were stiff at the end of the bus journey because the journey was long. Here is match. What is this? Railway timetable, on the ferry, train ticket, going to Valiama's house. Changing families. 1. Select the option. 1. Nimi has now got a baby sister. Baby sister. 2. The number of people in Nimi's family are now 6. 3. Blank father has been promoted. B. Saring. The Sarings. 4. The Saring's father is going to work in another city because of his C. Transfer and promotion, both A and B answer. 5. Nazli's blank is getting married. D. Elder cousin brother. True false. 1. Saring and his mother are going with his father to the new city. True. 2. Nazli is sad that her cousin brother is getting married and going away. False. Nimi's baby sister was born at home. False. Saring's mother and sister packed the luggage carefully. True. 5. Nimi's uncle is blind. True. Now this is chapter 10. Hututututu. 1. Select the best of option 1. A kabaddi team has 6 players. Answer B. 2. In Kho-Kho, what happens when someone touches you? D. You get out. 3. Karnam Maleshwari lives in Andhra Pradesh. 4. Jwala, Leela and Hira have been C. Kabaddi players. 5. All games have rules which every blank should follow. Player. C. Player is answer. True false. 1. Rosie was in Shyamla's team. False. 2. 6 players got out when Shyamla touched the line. True. 3. You have to use both your mind and body while playing kabaddi. True. 4. Karnam Maleshwari started weightlifting from the age of 10. False. 5. Jwala and Leela's parents did not allow them to play kabaddi. False. Here blanks. You can. 1. Leela played kabaddi during her childhood. 2. Blank father works in the police. तो आंसर है कर्णम मलेश्वरीज. 3. Blank managed to touch the center line. Shyamla. 4. Blank said that her team was not out. For Rosie. Blank wishes that children play games, especially kabaddi. 5. Hira. So this is the end of this video. Goodbye.